The camera that.
Hi, today we have this Sitz toilet seat. Very easy to assemble. Has a little pump here that you put in so that you can squeeze and put the air when you're ready to fill it up with water. You could either use it like this, or it's also contractible that you could do it like that to put it in the toilet. Now let's put some water and see how it works. You just kind of pour your water in there. And you can fill it up all the way to the blue section. So I filled it up here and it's ready to use. You just and it'll go ahead and split the water up. And the whole concept of this is that the water will go and splash where it needs to be cleaned. And the size is compatible with most toilets. When they're not in use, it does come with this nice little bag so you could put it away discreetly in your bathroom.